In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gallery and card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clean, responsive gallery on your site, add your images, and fine-tune how everything looks so it fits your style. Start by heading to card.co in your browser. From the home page, click Open Dashboard. This takes you to your projects. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. Then choose the site you want to edit by clicking on your project. It's a good idea to have your images organized beforehand so you can move through the setup smoothly. Once the editor opens, look for the Add control in the interface. Click Add, then choose Gallery. Card will place a gallery element onto your page. You'll see a panel for the gallery's settings, and a placeholder layout showing where your images will go. This is your base. To include more pictures or frames within this gallery, use the Add option inside the gallery panel. Each new frame is a slot for one image. Add as many as you need for your collection or portfolio. Keep in mind that consistent image dimensions usually give you the cleanest grid, so consider using images that share a similar aspect ratio. Next, upload your images. Select a frame and click Upload to pick the file from your device. High-quality JPEG or PNG files typically work best. If your images are large, consider lightly compressing them to keep your site fast while maintaining clarity. After you upload, repeat that process for each frame you added. Now refine the details. In the same gallery settings, you'll find a tab where you can add titles, captions, and other helpful text. Use a short, descriptive title so visitors immediately understand what they're seeing, and add a concise caption if you want to share context like location, materials, or the story behind an image. This is a great place to make your gallery accessible and informative without overwhelming viewers. When your content is in place, open the Appearance tab to customize the look and feel. Here you can adjust layout and spacing so the gallery breathes, tweak image size and alignment, and set how images fit within their frames. Small changes to margins and padding can make a big difference in readability. If your brand has a particular vibe, match corner radius, borders, or shadows to that style. As you fine-tune, take a quick look at different device previews so your gallery looks great on phones, tablets, and desktops. That's all there is to it. You've added a gallery and card, populated it with images, enhanced it with captions and titles, and polished the appearance so it feels cohesive and professional.